Hi there, I'm Sunny Carlos, and this is what I eat for breakfast. To begin with, we're gonna start with some ingredients, and yeah, you're first gonna need some bread. You have to get the best and tender bread you can find out there. For us, we go by Agogos. That's what I'm gonna be using in this video, Agogos. Then we have some cheese right here, cheese, and have some milk right here. Got some polony, polony, and got an egg right here. It's fried. I don't know, my phone just can't focus, but there's an egg in here. Yeah, there. So we have an egg. We'll be using some lettuce for this video. Got lettuce in here. And what else did I miss? Got some barbecue sauce and some Italian creamy salad sauce. That's what we're gonna be using in this video. Then for our tea or coffee, we're gonna be using the milk and the coffee of your choice. For me, I prefer Ray Coffee or Jacobs, depending on what's available. So today we're gonna be using Ray Coffee because that's what's available. And let's put this together and see how it comes out. So I'm gonna start by grabbing 4 slices of bread because that's what I need to make my breakfast. Got 2 on each side. Yes, so we have our 4 slices right here, so we can begin assembling our breakfast. I first start by adding an egg on each slice. I add an egg on each slice, then add some lettuce on each slice as well. Then on the other 2 slices, I prefer having like one sandwich that has like cheese on it, and the other one I like to like spread butter on it. I don't know, I just prefer having both sandwiches. And yeah, so add to this one we're gonna add some polony to it. I think two right here. Then on this slice we're gonna spread some butter on it. Yep, just spread the butter. All around the slice. So once you're through with that, you can add the 2 polony to it like that. Then add some barbecue sauce on the veggies. So we're gonna add some barbecue sauce to these 2 slices that have eggs and lettuce on them. Just around. Put some on the other one. Okay, around. Maybe a little on top as well. Then we'll add our Italian creamy salad sauce to it. Oh shoot. Alright, that's a little too much, so I'm just gonna try and grab some with my spoon over here and just push it to the next one. Yep, it's a little too much, but I think it's gonna be alright regardless, because this sauce is amazing. Alright, that right there. Then we just close it together and make the sandwich. And that's it, we're done with the sandwich. Now we make ourselves some coffee. So for my coffee, I just add 2 spoons of sugar, Ree coffee, and milk. Then afterwards, just add some warm water and you're good to go. Yes, and this is how my coffee ended up turning out. Yep, and that's my breakfast. Yeah, so tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Is it healthy? Is it not healthy? And yeah, just leave your thoughts in the comment section. And if you like that video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'ma see y'all in the next video. We out.